Thank you. Okay, class. So today, as you know, we are going over rational and irrational numbers. We are going to pretend like we're going on a shopping spree, so I need your imaginations here. I know that you guys are really into Louis V and Gucci, so we're going to be using those two stores as our examples. So just some class expectations. Be respectful, listen, follow directions. You guys are really good with that. Make sure you're raising your hand and again, be your best self. So for our warm-up, give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down if you agree, okay? So I have 1/2 plus 1/4 equals 3/4. I'm thinking that is rational. Give me a thumbs up if you agree. Thank you, Angelina. Thank you, Nathan and Tommy. Yes. Why is that rational? Can anybody answer that?
It could be made to attract.
Good job. Thank you, NATO. I'm going to give you $50 because this is very important today to NATO. So every correct answer will be 50. Number 2, square root of pi is approximately 1.414213. That looks crazy to me, right? So I think that's irrational. Thumbs up if you agree. Thank you, Angelina. Thank you, NATO. Thank you, Tommy. It is irrational. Tommy, why is that irrational?
It goes on forever.
It goes on forever. Thank you, Tommy. $50 to Tommy. Okay. So I need you guys to go ahead and repeat after me. Rational stops or repeats.
Rational stops or repeats.
Irrational goes on forever.
Irrational goes on forever.
Thank you. So I'm going to do some problems for you guys. You guys are excellent. Thank you. I'm going to do these. You just paying attention. Okay, so we're going to do a Gucci belt as our first example. Gucci belt costs $250 plus half of sales tax. So we're going to do 1/2 of a dollar is 50 cents. So we're going to do $2.50 plus 50 cents equals $2.50 with 50 cents, right? So for me, I'm going to decide here if this answer is rational or irrational. What do you guys think? Raise your hand, please. Oh, Tommy, what is it?
Rational.
It is rational. Good job, Tommy. Why do you think it's rational, Tommy?
Stop repeating.
Yes, it does. This decimal does stop. Thank you. So our second example is with a Louis V belt. And that is going to be $1,000 plus the square root of 2 in shipping. So right away, what do you think I'm going to do first here? Raise your hand.
Figure out how much shipping costs.
Yes, raise your hand. Figure out how much this shipping is, right? So luckily for us, we have our little cheat sheet. Angelina, can you tell me what the square root of 2 is on that cheat sheet? You have yours?
It's not even gonna do it.
Oh, it's right here. There's one right here too. Sorry.
That's 1.4142.
Thank you. 1.4142, which looks crazy, right? It does. It is irrational. You can already guess that this is irrational. Why, Angelina?
Because it's like goes on forever and it happens to just
Right, it goes on forever, and that decimal is not repeating. Great job. So we're going to go ahead and do our group work. You can see on your papers, you're either a speaker, you should have a speaker symbol, you're a listener, or you're a timer. So our speakers are going to go first in our group. NATO, I'm going to have you switch over here just so it's more inclusive. Unless you think you're fine. You guys fine like that? Okay. So speaker goes first. You're listening. in your timing. We just need 2 minutes.
Wait, so he's the speaker?
Yes. And you're gonna set it for 2 minutes and press start. Tommy, your job is to write this on your board. Right, we have your steps behind your guys' ticket. So you're gonna copy it, copy the expression, and then you're gonna estimate this and tell me if it's irrational or rational. And then you guys are gonna explain to the group why you picked irrational or irrational, okay?
Should I start now?
Yes, you can go ahead and start.
No. 400.
Good.
So. 1.7
Good job.
So then you're going minus that. And then looking at this number, is it rational or irrational? This number right here, either look from irrational or rational.
You're right.
Rational, good. Because it goes on forever. Great, Tommy. So tell the group, what did you do first? First, you what? Right, and then you what? Good job, and then you? Perfect. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and switch. That only took a minute. Great job, Tommy. So, NATO, you will be doing yours, speaking. Tommy will be listening, and Angelina will be timing. So go ahead and solve that on your board and explain to the group why you chose your answer and your steps.
Most of this is irrational.
Ooh, already you got irrational. Okay, why?
No, I would say this is rational.
Good.
Irrational.
Rational. Why is it rational?
Because 9 is the square root is an even, it's a solid number.
Right.
It's not a decimal, not terrible.
Right. So the square root of 9 is?
It's like 3.
Great. So 1,000 minus 3 would be?
7.
Great job, NATO. Can you explain your steps to your team, how you got that? First you.
Oh, first I copied this person.
Then you.
And then I circled the radical.
Right, and then you decided based off of it.
Yeah, I decided based.
Good job. Okay, so Angelina, you can go ahead and give that timer to Nathan. And Angelina, you're going to be shopping for some Gucci spray.
Okay.
Is that you a say?
Oh.
Good job. Okay, so, right. So first you copied your expression, right?
Yeah, and then what is it called? This is kind of radical.
Yeah, you circled your radical, which is your square root, right? You solved that. So you did the square root of 9 is 3. So now you're just doing 300 minus 3. Can you help her with that, NATO? 300 minus 3?
I didn't try to do it. Oh my bad.
297, right? 297. Good job.
I put 60. Sorry, I was thinking like 1, 2, 3, 4, like a 60 minutes.
Right, I knew
I
it.
don't know why.
I swear I knew it. That's actually a common mistake, getting using time for 60 minutes instead of 100. So that's okay. So looking at 297, do you think it's rational or irrational?
It's rational.
It is rational. Why?
Because this is a 600 function.
You could put it into a fraction. That's a perfect answer. Great. And it also stops.
Yeah.
So independently, you are going to do your exit ticket. You guys are at different levels, which is amazing. So you either have a orange, you have a red, or a level yellow, right? So you're gonna do this on your own independently.
Here's that one.
Yeah.
Right, one that, plus one that. So you kind of
So good.
Already finished.
already know the base.
Okay, so what did you do first?
I did parentheses and I multiplied 0 times
There's
the,
two of them.
the square root of 5.
Right.
And then it was 0, so then I just added something.
So.
Okay, and 700 is radical, rational or irrational?
It's rational.
Why is it rational? Great job.
And
And
now
you You're finished.
Well, I never really did a slide, so they already bring your limit to is already that.
Perfect.
And what's the?
Perfect. So you automatically, you copied your expression, you circled the radical, you solved that was irrational. Great job
Okay.
to Angelina.
Right?
Thank you. Just wait on a second. We're gonna do your exit ticket. So get your exit ticket ready.
Why?
Perfect. Good job, Tommy. I love that. Thank you so much. You guys all got 100% on that independent practice. Now we're gonna just work on our exit ticket, okay? So you have your exit ticket in front of you. If you're unsure, it is the one that has the exit symbol on it with the little money sign. You're going to quickly do 1 and 2, letting me know if it's rational or irrational and why.
Yeah, I did it.
NATO's already finished. What? Let me see. Okay, so why is that one irrational?
Oh, because
Perfect. And this one is rational. Why?
So what if you're out of book 2 or Frank?
is 1 point.
Perfect. So $100 to NATO for first place. Thank
So
you.
looking at this number, is this gonna be irrational or rational?
Right. You're right.
Plus,
It's always on the ground.
it's a big I. Perfect. Now let's do this. Can we click on this little here? No. Perfect. So it's gonna be 3. Just put a like.
Great job, Angelina. So why did you select irrational for this one?
And it's all right. That's the 3 word there.
Good. That square root basically tells you ding, 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 it's crazy. It's irrational. And then this one was rational. Why?
Because there's only like fractions and looks up like the decimal or and so this is your
Good job. It wasn't a decimal, it was a fraction, and it stopped. Perfect answer.
Okay, you should give us $1,000 today.
Oh, yes. Tommy, great job. Irrational for the first one, rational for the second one. Great. Why did you think this one was irrational, or how did you know? Because it is right.
It goes on for
It does go on forever. Thank you. And for number 2, how did you determine that was rational?
stop or repeat.
It does stop or repeat. Perfect. Thank you so much. I hope you guys have fun at your Gucci and Louis V shopping spree.